we will discuss the basic concept of atom. An atom is defined as the smallest particle of a substance that can exist by itself or be combined with other atoms to form a molecule. All substances are made up of atoms. As shown here, an atom consists of a nucleus and the electrons. This is the nucleus of an atom. The nucleus is located at the center of the atom, as you can see here. The diameter of the nucleus is about 1/10,000th of the diameter of the whole atom. Almost whole mass of atom is concentrated in its nucleus. The nucleus itself consists of two kinds of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles. The charge on each proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is known as the atomic number of the atom. Neutrons do not have any electrical charge, meaning neutrons are electrically neutral particles. The mass of each neutron is equal to the mass of the proton. The nucleus is positively charged due to the presence of positively charged protons. In any material, the weight of the atom and radioactive properties are associated with the nucleus. Now we will focus on electrons. The electrons are negatively charged particles present in the atoms. The charge on each electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. These electrons surround the nucleus. Some facts about electrons in an atom are listed and explained as follows. If an atom is having same number of protons and electrons, the atom is electrically neutral, as the negative charge of electrons neutralizes the positive charge of protons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in shells. The shells are also called orbits. A force of attraction is excreted on negatively charged electrons by a positively charged nucleus. This force of attraction works as a centripetal force required for electrons' revolution around the nucleus. The electrons which are near to the nucleus are tightly bound with nucleus, and it is more difficult to pull out or remove these electrons from the atom than those which are far away from the nucleus. The structure of an aluminium atom is shown in this figure. A definite amount of energy is required to remove the electron from its orbit. The energy required to remove the electron from the first orbit is much more as compared to the energy required to remove the electron from the outer orbit. This is due to the fact that the force of attraction excreted by nucleus on electrons in the first orbit is much more as compared to the force of attraction excreted on electrons of outer orbit. Similarly, the energy required to remove the electron from the second orbit will be less as compared to the first orbit and greater than the third orbit. Hence, we can say that the electrons in the orbit are associated with a definite amount of energy. Thus, the orbits or shells are also referred to as energy levels.